Let's turn a dollar bill into an adorable storage box. A perfect graduation, birthday, and Christmas present. Let's get started. First, fold your dollar bill in half, then unfold like this. Next, fold the dollar in half, like this. After that, fold the sides to the center crease, like this. Unfold the dollar. Next, fold the far sides to the center crease, like so. Now you need to fold the corners. Let's do that. It should look like this. See? Now fold the flaps over the folded corners, like so. It should look something like this. Now let's expand the figure by going under the tabs and pulling them away from each other. It's finished! Leave a comment and let me know what you think.